Sustainability remains a global priority, but the road to electrification is more complex than ever. To stay competitive, you need the flexibility to develop and deliver a wide range of electrified options quickly, cost-effectively, and reliably. That's where Siemens' vehicle electrification solution comes in. Our connected platform empowers OEMs and suppliers to develop the next generation of electric drives and EE architectures, reuse proven designs across vehicle programs, simulate and optimize performance with AI and multiphysics models, balance trade-offs like range, comfort, NVH and aerodynamics across vehicle systems, and virtually plan and validate manufacturing processes before production begins. Charge forward with confidence with Siemens Vehicle Electrification.